guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Happy Monday. So for Motivation Monday this week, I am going to have for you guys a nightly cleaning routine. It's going to be a little bit of our routine as a family at night and then my cleaning routine once the kids go to bed. I am going to do a complete full video of our nighttime routine. Daniel is at school until super late at night, so it is just me and the kids at night, and so it makes it a little bit more difficult, but we've kind of gotten into a routine and a structure, and so I want to be able to share that with you. That didn't make any sense. I want to be able to share that with you guys, our routine and all of that, just so that in case anybody else needs some ideas on a sort of a routine to make for your kids at night or kind of a structure. So that video is coming. Please keep an eye out for that. It will probably be the following Monday for the Motivation Monday, but for today, we are going to do a nightly cleaning routine. So everything that I do on a nightly basis, some things I do before the kids go to bed and some things I do after the kids go to bed. So it's my entire routine that I do every single day, Monday through Friday. On Saturday and Sundays, I do slack a little bit. I don't clean as often, but I still do. But it's mainly during the week, work week, I do the cleaning routine that I'm going to show you guys. So with that being said, if you guys have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really does help me. It helps my channel grow. And I am looking forward to anybody joining my YouTube family. Aside from that, if you do subscribe, please hit the little bell so it notifies you when I post a new video. And after this video, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And with all that being said, let's get started with our nightly routine. So the first thing that I always start with is unloading the dishwasher. I do this while the girls are having dinner. Since Daniel and I have dinner at a separate time after he gets home, I like to have dinner with him. So the girls will just have dinner in the kitchen. So we turn on some music, have a little bit of a dance party while I unload the dishwasher and they have dinner.
We're all in vain. Who will pick you up? Lost everything. Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason and a.
Can you say cheese?
Say cheese.
Cheese. You're a mess, girlfriend. Yeah, that's Nala. Say, go, Nala. Now that the girls' nightly routine is done and they are both in bed, I just do the dishes. There wasn't too many dishes, so that was good, but I wash all the dishes that need to be washed, and then I go ahead and wipe down all of the counters with my favorite method spray. Then I wipe down the area where the girls eat, as well as their chairs and the high chair, and just get all of the guck and crumbs or anything that's left behind after they're done eating. right, guys, well, that will conclude the video for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this nightly cleaning routine. I also hope this gave you guys some motivation for the rest of the week. As you can see at the end of the video, my vacuum died. It generally lasts about 2 or 3 days. I do vacuum every single night, my whole downstairs, just because of the dog hair and the dirt and the crumbs and all of that. So I do vacuum every single night. It'll last me about 3-4 nights before it dies. I should plug it in every night or every other night, but I don't, and for some reason I never learned my lesson, and then it dies. So I didn't get to finish the living room or the entryway, but that's okay. I can do it tomorrow. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of my cleaning routine. It wasn't super crazy today. The dishes I had pretty much kept up on all day, so I didn't have much to do. We had leftovers for dinner, so it wasn't like I had a whole ton of dishes from cooking. So it was generally pretty easy, but this is sort of my everyday night. I do all of those things. If this is a video that you liked, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help me and motivate me to continue to keep doing this. I am going to be doing another video here in the next couple weeks, maybe next week, depending on kind of how it all plays out, of our nightly routine as me and the kids. So please look out for that. Otherwise, I hope this did give you guys some motivation to get you through the rest of the week, to get you cleaning, or maybe give you some ideas for your own nightly routine. And I look forward to talking to you guys next Monday. Bye, guys.